like luxury? I get it. I like luxury too. You know how you can tell I like luxury? I just drove up in a Porsche. You know how else you can tell? I pronounce it Porsche. Keep it running. So for people like you and me, this house is the kind of luxury that we've been looking for. This is 6663 Silver Creek Drive in Indianapolis. This house has everything. Teak hardwood floors, coffered ceiling, chef's kitchen, and a partridge and a pear tree.
So at the end of a long day, you can knock back a cold one in this kitchen.
Or this kitchen. Or at the end of this table. Or by this fireplace. Or in this tasting room. Or on this back patio. Best house ever. For more information or to request a private showing, visit southsideluxury.com or just have your people call my people. You like luxury? That's funny.